In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks Online to Microsoft Excel using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take data from your QuickBooks reports and work with it in Excel for deeper analysis and clean presentation. First, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online and you're on the home dashboard. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. It's the small settings cog, and it opens a panel with several sections. Under the Tools section, choose Export Data. This is the shortcut designed for pulling report information out of QuickBooks and into a file you can open in Excel. When the Export Data window opens, you'll land on the Reports tab. Here, select the report you want to export. Think about what you want to analyze in Excel. Maybe a profit and loss, a balance sheet, or a sales by customer detail. Pick the one that best matches your goal. Next, set your date range. You can choose a preset like this month or last quarter, or set a custom range to focus on a specific period. If filters are available, use them to narrow down to the exact data you need, such as a specific customer, product, or account. Tighter filters result in a cleaner spreadsheet with just the information you want to work with. When you're ready, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will prepare your file and begin the download. Depending on your browser, it may save automatically to your Downloads folder or ask you where to save it. You'll usually receive an .xlsx file, which opens directly in Excel and retains formatting, or a .csv file, which is plain data and great for large datasets or further processing. If Excel doesn't open automatically, go to your Downloads location and open the file from there. If you see a Protected View banner, click Enable Editing so you can work with the data. Now you're in Excel with your QuickBooks report. From here, you can explore your data however you like. Sort and filter columns to quickly spot trends, apply number formatting for readability, and freeze the top row so headers stay visible as you scroll. If you want to dig deeper, try pivot tables to summarize totals by month or customer, use formulas like SUMIFS to calculate custom metrics, or build charts to visualize your results. And that's it. You've exported a report from QuickBooks Online and opened it in Microsoft Excel, ready for analysis and presentation. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.